Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a few graduation cards I've been working on, as well as a graduation centerpiece. I'm going to start by sharing with you some of the products that I use, and then I'll go into more detail after that. Alright, so one of the dies that I used to create my centerpiece was this Sizzix Bigs die. It looks like this, and this is the Star Bright 3D Bigs die, and that's the number in case you're wondering. I used this My Creative Time Rosette die. Makes really pretty rosettes. I used this star stitch die right here. I used the word celebrate. It's a Spellbinders die. I used this die right here, which is an Alina Crafts die. Really, really cute die. And then I also used this paper tray ink card die set to make some small graduation cards. All right, so let's get started. So what I had in mind when I went into the Dollar Tree, I had picked up these cups from Dollar Tree. They say 2018, and this is the idea that I had in mind for those cups, was to create a centerpiece. And so we had several of our friends' kids graduating this year, so I figured I would make some of these and give them as gifts, and they could use them as part of the decoration for the party. So what I basically did was I created all these rosettes, and I just put them on straws, as you can see, and then I stuck them down inside, and there I have inside, I have a piece of styrofoam that I had picked up from Michael's, and I just used a wooden dowel, and the kind that you use for cooking on the grill, those really long wooden dowels. I just used that and stuck it inside the straw, and then I was able to stick it into the styrofoam in the bottom, and then I just hot glued it down to the bottom of the cup, if that makes sense, so that it would stand up straight and give this effect. So here I made several different straws. I'll start with this one right here, which is probably my favorite. I used that stitched layered star die, and I did die cut out a acetate bow die using the Steel Rule Spellbinders bow die that I just recently picked up. I did pick up some little 2018 graduation stickers from Walmart. I think they were 99 cents, and they were perfect for the little centers on my project. I really love the way this came out. Really, really cute. Love it. Here you can see I use the 3D star. It makes the small star, and then it also makes the bigger star as well, as you can see right here. And what I did was just add a sticker to the center of that. Here is where I use that Alina Crafts star die. I just layered different pattern paper. I die cut out the word celebrate, and I think it just makes a really nice little pop and just goes with the whole theme. And then here I have two of the My Creative Time rosettes, and again using the stickers that I purchased from Walmart, and they say class of 2018. And then there's this rosette right here as well. And I used some gold and then some gold pattern paper that I had in my stash. I want to say I used a Christmas stack. It just kind of went with this whole theme. This die right here, I forgot to pull this one. This is, I believe it's an Amy Tangerine die. It comes with that bow die, and this one says hooray, and I just thought that was super cute as well. And then what I did on the outside was I layered some glitter gold tulle. I made a double bow, and then I took some of these little pre-made, what is this stuff called? It's like in the party section at Walmart, and I just stuck it, I hot glued it to the front of the cup, and I just thought it looks absolutely adorable. I'm trying to give you the whole view. Obviously it stands up perfectly in a super cute centerpiece or table setting for a graduation party, and I really love the way it came out. So I hope this gave you an idea for next year, or maybe if you're still working on graduation gifts, you can do this. Another thing that I was going to do was add another straw with like a tiny envelope. That way I could insert money and just give it to the grad that way, instead of putting money in a card. So that's another thing that you can do, is just add a little small envelope, or even a small coin envelope, attach it to a straw, and then the gift is already in the cup. So I love the way that this came out. So that is the first thing I wanted to share with you. And then secondly, I wanted to share with you another little idea that I had. I did pick up this headband from the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, I have already taken it apart, but what I did was I put it on top of the straw, I basically just slid it on top of the straw. Again, this is that wooden dowel that I'm talking about, and you can cut them pretty easily with a pair of like really sharp scissors. But I thought this was extra cute, and this is something you could stick in a cup as well. I was going to do another cup in different colors, like more of the reds and the blue color. So I thought this was really cute just to stick into the cup. So I wanted to share that little idea as well. And I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I shared this or not, but that is what I had. That was my idea for this headband, was to take it apart and put it in one of the cups for a graduation gift. Now I'm going to go ahead and share with you the few little cards that I made. Let me just zoom in so that you can see them a little bit better. This is the first card that I made, and again, I just used the card base. That's from Paper Trey ink, and I layered my my star stitch die. I did make a rosette. That's a Tim Holtz rosette, and then layered the cute little sticker from Walmart in the center of the rosette. These are quick and simple cards, nothing fancy. My daughter's going to give these out to some of her friends that are graduating this year. And then this is the inside, and then again, I just added one of the stickers from the sticker sheet. Cute and simple, so really fun. And I think I picked up this decoration, this pattern paper from Hobby Lobby last year. Actually made a graduation gift last year using that paper. I'll actually link that video for you if you want to check out what I made last year for graduation gifts at the end of this video, or I'll insert a card. This is the second one that I made. Again, using that Spellbinder steel rule die that I just recently shared. Layered the stars, and it's basically the same thing. Did the same thing on the inside, just used a different sticker. Really cute. That's that one. And here is the last one. I really like the way this one came out as well, and I did use some it's not acetate paper. I don't know what kind of paper this is, but I guess it's vellum. That's what it is. It's vellum paper. It's striped gold and clear, I guess. But really pretty paper. I think I found it at Tuesday Morning, one of my Tuesday morning finds. And then again, the same thing on the inside. And just used another little sticker from the little sticker sheet I found at Walmart. So that completes my graduation share for 2018. I hope this gave you guys some ideas. Please, I'd love to hear what you think. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.